Good morning. Today morning I came to know that RBI imposed certain restrictions on one cooperative bank which is called New India Cooperative Bank of Mumbai. Such instances are not new to us and we can't guarantee that they will not occur in the future. But people ignore such a risk and blindly invest in such a cooperative banks for the sake of 1 to 2% higher rates. If you cautiously look into the management structure of all these cooperative banks or else in many cooperative banks, you will find that they are basically run by the local politicians or else the people who have a strong holding on that particular society. So obviously in many cases they may lend your money to someone else who are comfortable with them without bothering whether the borrower will get back the money to the bank or not. This is the first risk what you have to look for. The second thing you have to ask yourself is why you have to invest in bank FDs. Bank FDs are a fantastic products if your requirement is short term. And if you are investing in bank FDs for such a short term requirement, even if the banks are offering a 1 to 2% higher rate, it hardly creates a huge difference for your wealth or else for that particular FD. So ignore investing in bank FDs for your short term goals and ignore investing in such a cooperative banks for the sake of 1 to 2% higher rate. The third important aspect you have to look for is think as if you are a banker and assume that I am a depositor. I am depositing around 10 lakh rupees with your bank and you are offering me 10% returns on that. So to benefit from this transaction, you have to lend my money to someone else who is ready to pay you 12 to 13% returns on whatever you lend the money to that guy. Just cautiously think, who is that guy who is ready to pay you 12 to 13% returns when the banks are offering the loans at 8 to 9%? Obviously, these guys are risky profile and they have a low credit score. So for that reason only, banks rejected these guys the loans, and for that reason they are approaching you and ready to pay 12 to 13%. One day if they default, then obviously you will be under the risk, and at the same time you will be under the risk of returning the money to me also. So this is how the banking system in simple way works. Try to avoid the risk as much as possible and invest or else explore the bank FDs only for your short-term goals. And investing in the short-term goals means simply invest in PSU banks or else big banks to avoid all the risks. Thank you for watching this video.